Hindi po ba masarap magpahinga at matulog kapag ang kwarto ay malamig at presko ang hangin? Kaya naman po, ang Fujidenzo, the country's fastest growing name in home and commercial appliances, finally bring you Fujidenzo Inverter Air Conditioners. Fujidenzo wall-mounted air conditioner, o mas kilala sa tawag na split-type aircon, ay available in 3 different series to suit your every need. One of these is the Grand Hybrid Inverter na nagpo-provide ng pinakamataas na Energy Efficiency Ratio o EER at kayang mag-reduce ng energy consumption for up to 50%. At alam nyo ba na more than 100,000 pesos ang kaya niyang isave for a span of 5 years? At hindi lang naman energy efficiency ang aming kayang ipagmalaki. Siyempre, ang hangin sa paligid natin ay composed of dust, germs, and bacteria. Nililinis ito ng Fujidenzo air conditioner sa pamamagitan ng kanyang air purifying system, which continuously protects you from harmful particles, ensuring a cleaner living environment. Ang mga window air conditioners naman ng Fujidenzo can provide you with maximum energy savings, convenience, comfort, and health benefits. Ang Fujidenzo window air conditioners ay merong high-efficiency compressor at energy-saving device which can save you up to 50% on energy. Meron din itong golden fin, isang specially coated golden condenser na highly resistant sa corrosion. Also, meron din siyang multi-angle airflow. It supplies air in 4 directions for balanced cooling, and it has a super quiet design for low sound emission. And lastly, it uses a high-efficiency antibacterial filter at E-nano filter which eliminates air contaminants such as smoke, cooking smells, pollen, molds, spores, and bacteria. With an emphasis on energy efficiency and air purification, the Fujidenzo air conditioner is truly a guarantee of high quality and excellent performance. And for your peace of mind, Fujidenzo offers 5 years warranty on compressor, and it also provides you excellent and dedicated after-sales service for your Fujidenzo air conditioner or any other Fujidenzo home and commercial appliance. With over 100 service centers nationwide, you can be assured of fast and reliable service all the time. And for more information on Fujidenzo products, please visit our website. It's www.exatech.com.ph, and please like us on Facebook, Fujidenzo Appliances, or you can visit any leading appliance store nationwide.